Hello everyone and welcome to the advanced tutorial video for FSHud Air Traffic Control. In this video I will demonstrate how to efficiently use the application, showcasing its features and functionality. Let's go inside our aircraft and start by click on the FSHud Air Traffic Control icon. And now we can see our application. On the top you can see two COM frequencies. I will demonstrate that later. Next is select flight and start a SimBrief flight. If you are not using SimBrief, you can create your own flight plan directly in FSHud Air Traffic Control. On the other hand, if you are using SimBrief, you can easily import it by simply entering your SimBrief username. As you can see here, we have a message tracker. This feature displays all communication. You can filter these messages to show only the ones relevant to you and toggle them on or off as needed. We'll discuss the Copilot features in more detail later. Now let's look at the map. This is a detailed airport map showing gates, runways, and additional information. I also demonstrate how you can use the route visualization, which is incredibly helpful during taxiing operation. The map can be zoomed in, zoom out, or even view in full screen mode. For example, if we click here, we disable tracking. Now we can hold the left mouse button to move around the map freely. Let's zoom out. You can see all traffic, including flight level, call sign, and speeds. You can even locate other airports on the map if you know their positions. For example, right here. Let's zoom in and you can see all the details: runway, gates, and taxiways. Alright, now I'll click here to return to our airport. As you can see, we currently have 17 active aircraft, meaning they are either flying or taxiing. And there are 12 parked aircraft visible here. Press select a flight and you can see I already have a flight created. So if you are also created before the same route, it will appear here and you can simply click and start. To demonstrate, I will create a new flight. Let's click the plus button. It's very simple and easy. Just type the ICAO code of your departure airport. For example, for today we're gonna using Echo Lima X-ray. As you can see, it's recognized immediately. The runway doesn't matter here because it will be assigned to your later based on real weather information. Now, after entering the departure airport, you can add waypoints, seats, or stars if needed. For example, you can see that departure are currently assigned to runway 24. You can see that according to the charts, so you have full control over here. However, let me show you a quick and simple way to create your flight plan. So after typing your departure airport, just simply type /F followed by a space and your destination airport code. In this case, Lima Foxtrot Bravo Oscar, which is Blagnac, Toulouse. Again, the runway doesn't matter at this stage. For example, I select runway 32. In just 1 second, we will have our route ready. As you can see, the flight duration is 1 hour and 14 minutes, covering 454 nautical miles. So that it's simply and quick. Now just click the start flight button. As you can see, the route is loaded. If we press on the map, we can already view the entire flight plan. I'm going to extend the window once again so it's easily to see. And as before, I'll disable the tracking for better navigation. So as you can see, we are currently at gate Alpha 6 and we are gonna be pushed back facing to the right. Our taxi route will take as long Lima Alpha and we're holding short at Alpha 1 at runway 24. Let's zoom out and here we can see our departure procedure. It's displayed as Mike Delta 1 Romeo, followed by the direct waypoint Mike Delta. This is our departure route, and you can compare it with the charts for accuracy. Here you can also see the flight level, so we're starting here at flight level 234 and climbing to flight level 330. As shown, our cruise altitude for today is flight level 330. Now let's zoom out further to locate our arrival airport and its surroundings. So as we can see, we are actually expecting runway 14 right based on the current wind condition. Then they offer us exit on the first on the right, because here we will not manage to stop. And basically you can exit on the left by Mike 4, it's not a problem. But for now, plan like that. The fast vacation of the runway, if there is traffic behind you, you're vacated and you're holding short. Then you cross again and taxi to the gate Echo 20. And once again you can change all arrival information as soon as ATC will give you instruction of the arrival before top of descent. The same way, as you can see, the second option is here to change the departure settings. The same will be changed for arrival. So if we click here, we can see our parking, we can change it. If we move, for example, aircraft, you no need to rebuild the flight plan, you can change gate here. Also, you can change the arrival and you can change the departure. And after you made the changes, don't forget to hit apply button. So we're going back, and so I click here and we back to tracking our aircraft. So I'm gonna now resize window back. And at this tab you can see all injected aircraft, their schedules, like at screen at airport in real life. Today I'm using AG and simulator traffic. Okay, and now I'm gonna prepare aircraft for a departure and return to you with the com radio features. Okay, we are almost ready. One of the standout features of FSHud Air Traffic Control is its ability to utilize two com channels just like in real life. The first thing we'll do, listen to the ATIS, and after that we'll request clearance. So today we'll be using two frequencies. The first one is for clearance in Luxembourg, and you can simply click here and it will automatically set the frequency, as you can see the interface updated. You can tune it manually. For example, I show you how to manually tune ATIS to 134.755. Let's enter it manually, but remember you can also click here for an automatic setup. Let's input manually 134.755 and then we switch the frequency. Once it's set, you'll see the active frequency and we'll listen to the information being broadcasted.
Luxembourg ATIS. Information Victor 1636. Wind 217 degrees at 16 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Sky condition view 3000 feet. Temperature 4. Dew point -1. UNH 1003. Transition altitude 5000. Transition level flight level 60. Landing runway 24. Departure runway 24. With information Victor.
And to turn off, we just click on swap frequencies. Okay, now we can request IFR clearance. I'm going to request clearance myself using voice control. However, if you prefer, you can use the copilot feature. I'll show you that later. Also, there is the hint. If you press over here, you will see detailed message, what ATC expects to hear from you and how you should pronunciate. Also, I want to mention that this ATC window not necessarily being on the screen. And I will be using ATC window on my tablet. It's very useful feature and I will show you a little bit later. Luxembourg clearance Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta with information uniform. Request clearance to Blagnac. We are at gate Alpha 6.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta. Cleared to Blagnac. Expect Mike Delta 1 Romeo departure runway 24. Initial climb flight level 210. Then is filed. Squawk 6447.
Cleared to Toulouse-Blagnac, expect Mike Delta 1 Romeo departure, runway 24. Initial climb, flight level 210, then is filed, squawk 6447, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta. And it's time to switch on the APU
Foxtrot
actually.
Sierra, Hotel 5 Delta, readback is correct. When ready, contact Luxembourg Tower 118.105.
When we'll be ready, we contact Luxembourg Tower at 118.105 Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta. Okay, we receive our clearance, and as you can see on the map, we already know which taxiway to expect for the runway. Now let's request pushback and start our engines. Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta requests push and engine start at gate Alpha 6.
Foxtrot Sierra, Hotel 5 Delta, cleared for push and engine start.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, we ready for taxi.
Foxtrot Sierra, Hotel 5 Delta, taxi to holding point runway 24, via Lima, a Bravo 1 Alpha Alpha 1.
Now we request a taxi clearance, and now for a readback I'm gonna activate Copilot feature. It's very easy, you just click on that switch.
Taxi to holding point runway 24, via Lima Bravo 1 Alpha Alpha 1, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
As you can see on the map, the application displays a green taxi line, making it incredibly easy to navigate to the runway. Ready for departure. As you can see, there is approaching
Luxembourg Tower, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, runway 24 ready for departure.
All the message you can see over here.
Foxtrot Sierra, Hotel 5 Delta, hold position.
And this is the Luxair, as you can see.
Hold position, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
And now the Copilot will handle all communication with the ATC, allowing you to focus on flying or even relax.
Foxtrot Sierra, Hotel 5 Delta, wind 217 degrees at 16 knots. Runway 24 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 24 cleared for takeoff. Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
During the cruise phase, you don't even need to stay at your computer. With the web version of FSHud Air Traffic Control, you can monitor and manage your flight directly from a tablet. Here you can do everything as if you were at your computer. You can also filter messages to ensure you never miss anything addressed to you.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, expect NOR 8 Sierra arrival FSHud transition ALS approach runway 14 right.
Expect NARA 8 Sierra arrival FSHud transition ALS approach runway 14 right. Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, when ready descend flight level 190.
When ready descend flight level 190. Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
As you can see, we are received our expected arrival information. It's time to return to the flight deck. Here you can change your arrival, runway, parking, approach, etc. Let's change arrival gate to Foxtrot 40. Hit apply and we will hear a readback again.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, expect NOR 8 Sierra arrival FSHud transition ALS approach runway 14 right.
Expect Nara 8 Sierra arrival fuse transition ILS approach runway 14 right. Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, when vacated contact ground 121.9.
When vacated contact ground 121.9, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta.
Air France 6128, cross runway 1.
Blackjack ground, Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, runway vacated.
Foxtrot Sierra Hotel 5 Delta, taxi to gate Foxtrot 40. Via Mike 4 November 4 Tango 40, hold short of runway 14 left 32 right.
Taxiing after landing is just as straightforward thanks to the application's map. That is for today. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of FSHud Air Traffic Control features. Thank you for watching and happy flying!